me, so all the sessions are very interesting and very knowledgeable. The best thing is that we also get, after completion of this course, we also get assistance from the experts. Like whenever we have some query or doubt, so we will get some reply of experts review to that. That is the best part. What I like joining hand with one place. This is the best thing what I like.
I know this course because of Manan. He shared in WhatsApp. He also shared the importance of this course. So I contacted immediately Samir sir. Samir sir responded positively. Uh, one day, I heard seminar. Sir, association in Sunday. Uh, with that session, I interested and I joined this course. Basically, he teached about labor laws and HR analytics part. I learned so much Excel, so much MS Excel. Thanks to One Click team.
Very good morning. So if I talk about the course, everybody knows that how useful it is for experienced person or for a fresher or for a mid level experience as well. So the most useful thing if I talk about is the liveliness of the course. Like if we are not providing homeworks or assignments, sir is regularly telling us that please provide us. So that is the best thing, that they kept us motivated, and they kept us very much live, that you participated in course for some purpose of learning, and we should solve that purpose. So that is the best thing. This kind of encouragement is very rare. Majority of course have that phenomena, that once we join the course, whether we are providing homework or assignment or not, they don't care. I mean, I have experience of other courses as well. So on that basis, I am saying that this is the best thing, that we regularly get updates, we regularly get motivation on learnings. And another thing is the lifetime support. Like sir, in the beginning of the course only, sir said that you can call us or you can contact us anytime whenever you are facing any kind of trouble while implementing all the knowledge we get from here, right? It is not possible for us that we can implement everything at one point of time or during a course. Slowly and gradually, whenever we start growing the organization, or we will try to implementing all this knowledge, it might be possible that we may forget some points or forget something. So at that point of time, they are ready to help. That is the best thing. Another, if I talk about the course content and the presentation and all, everything is just best. Like content is very much precise, and they informed us in prior, and they cover up everything which they told us. It is not like starting में सब बोल दिया फिर the scenario is different. So that is not the point. So in terms of course content, it is very good and very well structured. Very well structured the content. And yes, last but not the least, feedback about the trainer as asked by the sir. So Sami sir is, I am not very much aware personally about him, but जितना मैंने अभी तक जाना है, like in during this course, he is very helpful, he is very supportive and down to earth. मतलब I never found him, I mean उनको गुस्सा भी आता है तो he say in very moderate tone, or he never show that हमने homework नहीं दिया तो he got angry. No doubt गुस्सा आता है, because he is doing such efforts for us, and if we are not reverting to that efforts, it is natural that we will have some anger or something. So yeah, he is very amazing personality, and the course is overall very 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 good. Thank you so much.
So for me, this course was not entertaining, but more, I would say, information friendly. because there was not only presentation. There were live examples. So I guess that was the best part of the course, as well as the assignments part. So during those assignments also, if we get confused, we can go back to the drives which you have shared with us, and along with the drives we can relate something and we can share the assignments. And the second part which I found was very good was like after submitting the assignments, you were reverting back to us that what are our mistakes, how we can improve our mistakes. That part was very best for me. I was like, yes, at least this is the best commitment friendly certification course we are finding. This was good. Thank you, sir.
Well, very good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Well, talking about this course, first of all, I got this opportunity to do the course from one of my faculty from my college. Parvez sir, he told me, please join this course, it's going to be very helpful for you. Then I just saw the course content and then I really was appreciating, I was surprised. So I was like, okay, I want to do this course, it's all technical thing, apart something from the books. So what I learned is like Excel was excellent. I learned what are the important formulas which you oftenly use. Then some recruitment part was also excellent because I have been doing training in that also. And coming to the main part, labor laws, that's really amazing. The way you taught was very easy. What I learned in college was very difficult actually. I just came to know how to use things, but important terms to remember, important forms to remember, different techniques to remember the forms. Then talking about you, sir, you were excellent. You have always been motivating us to do assignments, behind us, sending us links, job vacancies. Please read all these things. It was really nice. And your team is great, sir. Please keep doing this great job, sir. And I will definitely recommend this to my friends in future, sir. Definitely. Thank you so much, sir. It was really great.